Okay, put it away now. Focus. Hi everybody and welcome back to... Posture. Yeah. Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I have another video all about Scotland. I want to share with you what it's like dating a Scottish guy, because in today's video I'm with my partner Ross. Say hello to the camera.
Hello, camera.
I don't really know what this video is going to be like. I just really wanted to spread some good vibes because Ross is also a very positive human being. So thanks. I just want to share his energy with you. Also take this everything a pinch of salt. It's not meant to offend anyone. It's not meant to stereotype Scottish people. It's just meant to be funny. Don't write any hate comments that are unnecessary because not on my YouTube channel anyway.
Also, by the way, if you're new to my channel, then hi, my name is Laura. I'm a 21-year-old German small-town girl studying abroad in Aberdeen, Scotland. I have been studying abroad here for almost 4 years, so I have experienced definitely some parts of Scottish culture that I love to share with you. Here on my channel, I do a lot of day in the life, week in the life, vlogs, and also videos just like this one of my life abroad, so feel free to consider subscribing.
Okay, so the first thing I wrote down, and this is like, I guess true for like British people generally, he apologizes for everything, even if it's not his fault. When I step on his feet or I do something wrong or...
You push me out of the way,
yeah, and
I apologize.
He's like, oh, sorry. And even the other day he was in the other room and he did something and he said sorry and there wasn't even anyone there. So something very cultural that it's imprinted in him to say like sorry and thank you with everything, which I don't do.
Would you like some cereal or? Yes.
Next one, he doesn't use enough salt on his food.
I've had more salt like since we started dating than I've had my entire life combined.
If you guys have ever like eaten in Britain or in Scotland and you are not from here, then like comment down below if you also agree that their food is just not salty enough and it just lacks like, it's very like
basic
and, yeah.
It's simple, it's, you know, clean and tasteless.
Next one is he has a sexy accent. Although Ross's accent is not just Scottish, it's also Canadian, because Ross used to live in Canada. But he also sometimes teaches me some Doric stuff, which is like the local language.
I can't feel like Fujidoos?
Me bad. Good.
That's alright.
Also something that I noticed when I'm mad at him and he tells me something, I can't understand what he's saying. So yeah, that's also a thing. He likes iron brew.
I mean, we tend to not think about it because it's basically just liquid orange. But there's no oranges in it. It's just, I don't know, there's no definition. It's really just a drink, it's a fizzy drink that's orange colored and tastes like iron brew.
We had a little sequence in one of my week in the life vlogs. If you want to watch it, you can. I will leave it here. We had fish and chips, deep fried Mars bar, and iron brew. So if you want to see some Scottish food reactions, then watch that vlog. He's not on time. I think that's generally like a thing in Scotland. Like when you say we meet at 5 or we start something at 5, then usually it doesn't start until like 5:05 or like 5:10. Whereas in Germany, when you say we start at 5, you start to like at 5:05. Like you start 5 minutes early and everyone is there like 10 minutes early. And he says like, oh, I'm gonna be back in 15 minutes. He probably is gonna take an hour. I'm testing my patience and I'm a very impatient person. So it's the whole thing. Ross is quite chill in comparison to me and I'm always like, oh my god, we need to hurry and we need to do this. And he's like, fine.
Yeah, but I mean, I think you've also improved my own time management, which has been good. So, you know, it's a give and take.
He thinks that toast that is 99% made of air is an actual food. Ross buys toast that's like just fluff. I'm a big fan of bread, of actual German bread. People here think that toast can be called bread when it's like air. You can like... I started baking... That was dramatic. I shared my German bread culture with him and now he knows what real bread is, which is good.
You do make amazing bread, I must say.
I mean, I'm learning, but I just recently started making bread from scratch. So it's really fun. He asks, although he already has the answer for it. His questions are more rhetorical than they're actually questions. Like when I ask a question, I'm open for a yes and a no. But when Ross asks a question, like he already has the answer.
Yeah, I mean there's an element of politeness. It's kind of like...
Yeah, exactly, but it's so unnecessary. I'm like, then just tell me what to do and we're saving words in a conversation.
It's like, can you move please?
Do you mind doing the dishes? Because then, you know, I can head off. And I'm like, yeah, I do mind. I don't want to do it. And then he's like, you just asked me, right? So, I mean, it's like with a lot of things. When you date a Scottish man, you also consume a lot more potato stuff and gravy.
I've had more gravy now that we've been dating than I used to have before as well. I also eat a lot better. Yeah, I know, I was the same.
Ow!
I still have a headache.
We made traditional Scottish food, Burns night food.
Haggis, neeps and ties. Neeps are turnips, just mashed with butter. Ties are potatoes. Haggis is a wee little animal that runs around the hill. It's got one leg shorter than the other. Just enough so that it can run around the hill quicker. No, they're really hard to catch and you can only catch them in January.
Yeah, I like haggis. Haggis is great. It's my pal. We have a haggis at home actually. It's like our pet now. We caught one.
Built a little hill in your backyard.
So one more. It's like dating a Scottish man is that he's too nice sometimes. I think generally like Scottish people, I said it in like videos before about Scotland, but I think they're very like nice, just nice. But like not in a fake way. I don't know, like when I think of Scottish people, I also think like kind of like of older people that are like, come here my dear, you know what I mean? I love Scotland very much and it has a special place in my heart. Now even more. And yeah, it's just cool that through study abroad, I met someone really cool from another culture. Also, if you watched until now, then comment down below haggis. Also, comment down below if you want us to do like another video which is similar to this, where Ross says what it's like dating a German. So comment down below if you would be interested in seeing that, and we shall film it for you because yeah, I just want to spread some good fun vibes on my channel, especially now. I mean always, but especially now. That's kind of it for today. I really hope you guys, we really hope that you enjoyed this video, and we will see you, well, you'll probably see Ross in one of the next videos or vlogs, or...
You're the one making the coffee.
Yeah, he's always the one making the coffees. Bye!
Should I say full disclaimer of I am not an accurate representation of a Scotsman.
Well,
I don't wear kilts all the time.
I've never seen, well, he has ginger beard, like a little bit of ginger in his beard. Like you have more ginger in your face. Not seen Ross yet in a kilt, and I'm very excited for it because if you've watched my reasons why I love Scotland video, I say that and I'm very excited to see you in a kilt.
Soon.
Because it's hot. And we need to post for some thumbnails. No, you have to look normal and I look at you like normal in the camera. Like
I don't know how to look normal! No, I don't like that. I just look weird.
Yeah, but you're gonna eat like everything, so just give it to me.
Like the smallest bite. I'm gonna eat everything.
That's true. All the cuteness.
All the fluffy.
Okay. Bye.
If you enjoyed this video, you should definitely check out my video about reasons to love Scotland that I filmed with my German friend Louisa. It's also very fun and just some good vibes, just, you know, some reason to love this beautiful country, so make sure you check out that video.